Due to their health benefits, dandelions can be called superfoods, yet not everyone can tolerate their bitterness. There are ways to make them tastier though. Dandelions are bitter because of plant chemicals that are part of the milky juice in this plant. The name of the chemicals is hard to pronounce, but you can find it in the description of this video. The bitter chemicals are less concentrated in rapidly growing leaves, so in plants that are growing in shaded areas or in deep grass and in rich, moist soil. To make them even less bitter and more palatable, you can mix dandelions with other greens to dilute the bitterness. Add fat to your fresh dandelions, for example bacon grease, butter, olive oil, to reduce your taste buds' sensitivity to the bitterness. Add other flavors to your dandelion dish. For me, mayonnaise with vinegar in its ingredients works best. You can also boil out the chemicals in the leaves, which are water soluble. According to my research, 3 to 5 minutes should be enough. If you are very sensitive to the bitter taste, you can change the water and boil again. And lastly, most people tend to get used to the bitter flavor, so you can start with little amount of dandelion leaves and increase the amount in your salad or other dish with time.